In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize first letter of country names in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to fix the country names. This method is especially useful when your data has been typed in all lowercase, all uppercase, or just with inconsistent formatting. Instead of editing each cell manually, Excel can do the work for you with a simple formula. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the country names are placed in cells A1 through A5. Make sure your list is ready before entering the formula so you can easily apply the same formatting to the rest of the column afterward. Next, we'll enter the formula that capitalizes the country names properly. Start by clicking cell B1 and type the header capitalized country. This helps label the new column clearly, especially if you're keeping the original data in column A for comparison. After that, click cell B2. In this cell, type an equal sign, then the word proper, followed by an opening parenthesis, then A2, and finally a closing parenthesis. The completed formula should reference the country name in cell A2. Press enter to apply it. Now you'll see the results in cell B2. Excel returns the country name in proper format, such as Brazil, with the first letter capitalized and the remaining letters converted to lowercase. That's exactly what the proper function does. It's a quick way to clean up text and make your spreadsheet look more polished and consistent. Once you've confirmed the result looks correct, you can apply the same formula to the remaining rows. Select cell B2 again, then move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward until you reach cell B5. As you drag, Excel automatically copies the formula to the cells below and adjusts the references for each row. That means each country name in column A gets converted into properly capitalized text in column B without needing to retype the formula. When you're done, your entire list of country names will appear in a cleaner, more standardized format. This is a simple but very effective Excel technique that can save time whenever you're cleaning text data. And that's it. You've successfully capitalized the first letter of country names in Excel using the proper function.